Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to check a manufacture date in your iPhone 16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 16 and you are wondering how to check a manufacture date. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone 16 settings section. After click over there, we'll see there is a battery. After click over battery, we'll see screen appear just like this. You need to click here battery health. From here, we'll see there is a manufacturer date. So this is manufacturer date, which is September 2024. So within this simple way, you can easily find out your iPhone 16 manufacturer date. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.